Hello, and greetings, and congratulations to our Arista recipients, all our families, and all the faculty and staff watching at this time. Welcome to the 2020 virtual Arista induction ceremony for the 6th grade, taking place during the 2020 remote learning period. Before I begin with some brief comments, I want to take this time to thank Mrs. Goldman and Mrs. Gutenkust, our coordinators of student activities, Ms. Rosenberg for her assistance with the music, and in their efforts in preparing for this Arista ceremony. A special shout out to Mrs. Corio, our media teacher, for the help in the production and release of this video as well. Thank you. Mr. Borrero, Mrs. Paramithis, and Ms. Sherry, my thanks to you on the preparation for this event, with all you do in the background and all you do behind the scenes to get things to click together for our students. And lastly, I would like to thank the parents and guardians watching for your commitment to your child's education and for supporting our school. We could never in our wildest dreams and imagination expect to be addressing you in this way for Arista, or any event for that matter. This is painful, as I'm always looking forward to celebrate our students in person. As you know, this is out of our control, and we are all doing our part to be safe and follow the policies set in New York City for remote learning. I am confident we will once again be together and even hold an in-person ceremony in 7th grade. All fingers crossed. At this time, we gather remotely to celebrate your accomplishments of scholarship, character, and service, the three main components that Arista recognizes. Today, you become part of a special tradition as you join the 7th and 8th graders this week who are also receiving this honor. But you are part of a club of thousands of students who have left IS24 before you and are proud Arista members with you. Today, you make us all very proud, and you continue to make us the pride of Great Kills. The 6th grade ceremony is always one of my favorites because I begin to see our youngest students grow and mature right before my eyes. I'm also reminded as I look at the program and see your names that a proper handshake or fist bump or elbow click is missing. So your job is to repeat in this recognition next year, so when you cross the stage, you owe me 2 handshakes or 2 fist bumps or 2 elbow clicks. I also spend the weeks leading into Arista to know more of the students personally. But don't worry, even though we're not in school, Mr. Borrero and Mrs. Personette filled me in, and they say you're all good to go for today. I love a particular quote by President Abraham Lincoln, who said, "Be sure you put your feet in the right place, then stand firm." Through your schoolwork, volunteering, and being self-motivated and disciplined, you have earned the right to be recognized as Arista members at IS24. And now I challenge you to continue to make the right choices and stand firm, as you now stand in the right place. On the first day, I told you all in the auditorium, which many of you are now saying, "We saw him on the first day of school?" Yes, you did. It was right before lunch. And I said, we as a school have 3 short years to help you learn to make the right choices. Some of you were listening and started to make the right choice. Good for you. At this time, I want to congratulate you again for your hard work and dedication in this achievement, and I'm confident you will work to repeat this next year as well. This is an achievement that does not require myself or Mr. Borrero to explain how good it feels. I know you are all very proud right now, and I just wish I could see it all on your faces myself. Please go and cherish this moment and know how good it feels as you plan for future achievements here at IS24. I congratulate you from my backyard, and I wish you all the best as I plan to see you at a ceremony in person next year. Please be sure to take some pictures with family and or any friends that are watching with you and share it with those who you can't be with. And if you have a way to share it on social media, please do so, as I love to see those pictures. You earn that right to show off a little bit. Thank you so much, and I hope to see everybody real soon. Lastly, a special message. I just want to thank all the 6th graders and our families for making me a very lucky principal to be able to spend this time with you. The very best to you and all your families, and I can't wait to see everyone again in person. Take care.
Hello, and welcome to the IS24 6th grade Arista virtual ceremony. My name is Deric Borrero, and I'm the 6th grade assistant principal. It is with great honor and pleasure that I introduce to you 179 new students who've made this honors academic achievement. It is with no easy position that they did the work that they did. I'm so pleased and so proud of everything that they've accomplished this year. As the great Martin Luther King has once said, the function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is a goal of true education. Our students have achieved that. They have demonstrated that, and we're very pleased with how they are performing. The next person I'm going to introduce you to is a person who is ranked #1 of our 490 students in our 6th grade. Her grade point average is 97.9. Amanda's special talent is that she dances with the IS24 dance team, and she also dances competitively with private group outside of school. She also part of 2 swim teams. When she grows up, she aspires to be either a performer, a restaurant owner, an interior designer, or a special education teacher. Those are all great things to choose from. And I'm sure she's going to do wonderful. When I asked her about what she likes most about the IS24 community, she stated, I like the IS24 teachers and staff because they all help in each subject that I have, and they all make themselves available. I thought that was a great answer and really showed what our school is about. So I'd like to now introduce to you the person who's going to talk about scholarship, our #1 ranked 6th grade student, Amanda Robinson from class 603.
Welcome Mr. Santa Maria, Mr. Borrero, Mr. Simeone, Mrs. Personette, and Mrs. Tramontana, as well as parents, teachers, students, and staff. These members have fought through thick and thin to be able to accomplish this great feat. Adjusting to a new school was hard for all of us, from new teachers to making new friends. We've come across multiple challenges throughout the school year that have set us back and pushed us to the limit. However, they only made us persevere and work harder to accomplish those goals. Now we're standing here today feeling proud of everything we've done to earn a place in the Arista Society. Speaking for all of our members, we couldn't be happier or more relieved to be given this scholarship award. It means something that can only be described in 2 words, perseverance and future. We couldn't have earned this award if we've never failed before. So we take that mistake and work hard to make it transform into a success. However, now that our goals have been achieved and our hard work has paid off, we need to set new ones. This only means that we have to work even harder to succeed at the one common goal we all have, and that is life. Hard work can only set us up for the future, the jobs we hope to earn, or the skills that we hope to strengthen. Our achievements can only increase from here as we keep moving forwards and not backwards. If we just believe that we can accomplish any feat headed our way, we can conquer anything we set out to do. As David Eddings once stated, all the books in the world won't help you if they're just piled up in a heap. You have to put in the time and effort to be able to accomplish your dreams. You could achieve something any day of the week, but it doesn't mean anything unless you want it, have that determination, or seek that pride. No one is going to give you an award if you aren't worthy of it. However, as I am reminded of the Myra S. Barnes Arista Society, all I can envision are young students striving with talent. So I want to thank everyone, the entire community of education, for helping us get here and giving us this opportunity. I want to thank our families for supporting us and making us do our best. I most importantly want to thank those who've doubted us, because you've only made us work harder. And look where we are now. Everyone deserves credit for what we've done here today, so thank you. Let it be a lesson for all of you that if you believe in your dreams, they will always come true. Thank you.
The next person I'm going to invite up has a 97.2 average. She is the 2nd highest ranked student in the 6th grade. Her special talent is that she speaks, reads, and writes in 2 languages, Russian and English. Diana aspires to become an engineer. Her goal is to improve the quality of life for all those around her. When asked about what she likes most about IS24, she stated, "What I love about IS24 is that we are a family. And if you need help, You will get it, and the school offers even more opportunities than I ever imagined. The next person who's coming up now, with great pleasure, is Diana Ibrahimova from Class 610.
Good day, members of our IS24 family. This is Diana Ibrahimova from Class 610. This year made a different turn and unprecedented times came, but our family showed that IS24 does more even in hard moments. We knew that crisis wouldn't make us weaker, but each of us would become even stronger. The year is coming to the end, and soon we will go to the next level of knowledge. The year flew so fast, but the IS24 family became even more close-knit. We wouldn't all be here without our leaders. I would really like to welcome Mr. Santa Maria, Mr. Borrero, Ms. Paramitas, and our IS24 staff and fellow Arista members for doing so much. Some people want to get into college and some want the highest grades. We wouldn't get that without their help. Every day they do everything just to make us, students, happier, smarter, and more responsible. And we would really like to thank them all for that. Our life is based on helping others, because then we would never learn from our own mistakes. In IS24, every week there was a special event which always had a different location around Staten Island. Many IS24 students participated and helped the Earth to become a better place. We should take part in those events because the Earth is our #1 home and we need to protect it the way it protects us. Once, the American philosopher William James said, "The community stagnates without the impulse of the individual. The impulse dies away without the sympathy of the community. Nobody is alone, and together we get to the greater good." And always keep in your mind, IS24 does more. Thank you, and see you next year.
The next person we would like to invite up is our third-ranked sixth grade student with a grade point average of 97.1. Her special talent is drawing and painting. She loves to customize all kinds of things. When Layla grows up, she aspires to be an artist and turn her hobby into a full-time job. When asked about what she thinks her experience has been like at IS24, she stated, "I think IS24 is a great community made up of many amazing staff members and students. I enjoy everything about being part of IS24 community. What I enjoy the most is all about having great teachers who really make learning a lot of fun." I would now like to invite Layla Pelajovic from Class 602 to come on up and give us her speech on character.
Good morning, IS24. Before I start, I would like to say thank you to Mr. Santamaria, Mr. Borrero, Mrs. Paramitas, Mrs. Goldman, and Mrs. G for being there for us when we need it most, as well as my family and most importantly, our families. I hope that everybody at home is staying happy, positive, and safe. Due to crazy things going on in the world, we must stay home, but that is not enough to ruin our Arista ceremony. I want to say congratulations to the rest of the students who made it into the Arista program for this major accomplishment. As we all know, in order to become an Arista member, we must have grades that meet certain standards as well as complete community service hours, but there is more to it. We must have good character and show respect towards other people. Good character is made up of many elements. One of these elements is respect, what you say and how you say things to other people. Another element to have good character is responsibility. We must be hardworking and do the things that we need to get done before doing anything else. In order to follow all of these elements and have good character, they need to become your habits. To quote by Mahatma Gandhi, keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts become your words. Speak to me when it comes to this topic. By going against any of these elements, we would be saying, doing, and then creating bad habits that will affect who we are as people for the rest of our lives. Overall, these are the things that need to be done for us to have good character and to continue to have good character for the rest of our lives. Thank you.
I, Amanda Robinson, make a sincere pledge to build my life and vocation on the firm basis of integrity in thought and act, to conduct myself towards people with courtesy, tolerance, fairness, and unselfishness, to become a thoughtful, loyal citizen to my school, community, and nation.
Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our sixth grade IS24 Arista virtual ceremony. Thank you very much for joining us. Boys and girls, you did a wonderful job. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and keep smiling. I look forward to seeing you next year.